So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Fly with Beast. Let's start today's vlog. So now I am trying to make a habit of wake up early because I personally felt that it helps a lot to refresh my mind and tend to increase my productivity. After starting my day with a productive boost, I made to-do list. This helps me to organize or memorize all the stuff. What should I next do? So my first session start to solve paper. I recommend you always spend much time to your test paper and analyze your paper. That helps to boost your marks.
Has a funny way of tearing you down. It's a bad joke to say how you feel. Running in circles like a merry-go-round, broken glass through the Hollywood. Snakes and real ones. Can't trust no one. Can't trust no one. Lies and half-truths. Sad or bad news. But these tears ain't falling for you. 'Cause I'm too tired. Too tired. Too tired. Too tired. Too tired. Too tired.
So today is Sunday, a most awaited day ever. But now its time has gone. It's give us a lesson like sabka din aata hai. So now I have to organize my files. So let's go.
It's getting harder, you turn my heart up, throw me in water. I'm getting higher, just to feel ya, 'cause I need to. No one knows it, heart is frozen from your poison. Taking the potion, just to feel ya, 'cause I miss you. Oh my God, can't stop you like heroin. My love you got, there's no settlement. I can't pretend that we're nothing. Oh,
I think I'm overdosing.
I think that I'm overdosing.
I think that I think I'm overdosing.
I think that
I think I'm overdosing.
It's getting stronger, can't take no longer. Walking on fire, I'm getting higher, just to feel ya, 'cause I need you. 'Cause I can burn a little bit more, just a little bit more now. Taking the potion, just to feel ya, 'cause I need you. Oh my God, can't stop you like heroin. My love you got, there's no settlement. I can't pretend that we're not meant. Oh, I think I'm overdosing. I think I'm overdosing.
So after all the day, this is my last session. Hope you enjoy my video. So please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Have a good night.